Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be reviewing the Nelko P21 Label Maker. So let's just have a go at unboxing it. So that's the label maker. It's pretty neat. Smart carry handle. And there's just some quick start instructions. The obligatory manual. But don't need those though. On a USB-C cable to charge the printer. Let's get these out of the way. So let's just have a look around the printer. So you've got on-off buttons. A button on the top. QR code. Gets you to a tutorial quickly. That's the on-off button, so let's turn it on. There we go, you can see it's on. Okay. So you download the app from the App Store and it's available for iOS and Android. So let's open the app. You can see I've designed some templates already there. That's one for my Raspberry Pi power monitor. That's just so I don't forget the IP address of it. And then I started to design another one for all things PiTech here. So it's really quite flexible. You can do loads of stuff. Add a JPEG image, which I've done there. Add some text. So there, automatically centers it. Make it a little bit bigger. A bit too big. Oh, there we go. And then you can align it, as well as do different effects with the text. So curve. Just move that around. Shrink it down a bit. The font's too big. There you go. Place it there. Just move this image a little bit to the right. So once you're happy with your design, you just click print. And it gives you kind of like a print preview. Hit the print button, connects to the printer, and then, as if by magic, it's printed the image onto the label. So then what we do is press this button up, and that essentially cuts the label so you don't have to tear it. There we go. Neat little sticky label. I find it's really handy for labelling up Raspberry Pis that I can't remember the IP address for, or all those plugs behind your TV set that you don't know what are for anymore. Dead handy for just clicking in and out, do a quick print. This is where the print roll goes. You can buy different new print rolls for them, and that's just the print head, I believe. So yeah, pretty cool. There's just an example of one that I've done for one of my Raspberry Pis. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.